बोटे आहेत. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers. I have 2 eyes. म्हणजे काय? मला 2 डोळे आहेत. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. मला 2 कान आहेत. I have 1 nose. मला 1 नाक आहे. I have 1 nose. I have 1 mouth. I have 1 mouth. I have 1 tongue. मला एकच जीभ आहे. 1 tongue. दाखवा tongue. Very good. I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands. मला 2 हात आहेत. I have 2 legs. मला काय आहे? 2. I have 2 legs. Very good, very good. आता सांगा तुम्ही मला. How many hands do you have? How many hands do you have?
तुम्हाला किती हात आहेत?
किती आहे? 2. I have 2 hands. Very good. How many nose do you have? 1. I have 1 nose. Very good. How many ears do you have? 2. I have 2 ears. Very good. How many
Swara?
eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. आता मी सांगते. How many tongue do you have? Tongue. किती आहे tongue? 1. I have 1 tongue. How many fingers do you have? बरोबर आहे. 10 म्हणजे किती? 10. I have 10 fingers. आता लास्ट विचारते. How many legs do you have? Legs. काय म्हणायचं? 2. I